everybody to another episode of Renegadesgarage. In today's episode, we're going to be working on the frame. We're finally going to be making some actual progress with it today. So today's plan, Patrick's coming over. We're going to cut the shock towers off the front. Hopefully cut the bump stops off the rear. Start sanding down everywhere we need to sand down for the 3-link. And hopefully start getting stuff tacked in today. And maybe if we're lucky, maybe we'll be seeing the rear axle underneath the back of it just to see how things are looking. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Fun camera moment. Oh, that's really zoomed in. Oh. Okay, back. New camera moment. Look, we tried to move it and it didn't work. But we did stuff.
Explain why we're trying to move it.
To put parts on it. I know that was a very helpful sentence. To mock stuff up, because we got the middle guy in, we got the 2 side guys in. Here, look, let me do camera stuff here. Side guy, middle guy. Axle go there somewhere. And buy the broken sawzall. And then front guys. Okay, that's all, folks. Hello, Oakley. How are you doing? Psst. You're in the video. You have to be in every video. Alright, Oakley, what did we do today? I cut those things off. We put that thing on. Panhard bar, track bar, whatever you want to call it. We put these things on. A little rear lower mounting daubers on, and then we did that thing, the upper mount that goes to there. We slid that thing underneath there. Yes, that cart is dead. It exploded. What else did we do? I cut exhaust hangers off. Ooh. Okay, yeah, that's leaking. I cut exhaust hangers off. I gotta finish cutting that bump stop off. Once again, there's that thing. Jack stand, the other little mounty guy. That mounty guy. I think that's the upper bar for the front. We have to finish on the top of that. And then there's the 2 bottom mounts for the front axle. Yep, cut those off. That's all I got, folks. I think the only thing that's really left is to put the front axle in. He's got to make the bars for that, but we got to get the axle gutted and put underneath. I think that's really it. This isn't my project, so I don't know.
Okay, we're going to finish this off with my main camera, or with my big DSLR, because the GoPro right there has died. It's now pouring down rain. I've I'm basically finished up for the day. Right, Latte? So here's what we accomplished. I've got the both rear lower links done. Got the, just welded them in. Got them all welded in. Then I got all of this all welded and done. Got both lower links done. Got the upper link in. Got the upper link in over there. As you see, I have the lower link done already back there. So the axle is technically attached with one link at the moment. Getting ready to put the other one in here in a second. And it's downpouring and raining. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video off here. I'm glad you guys stuck around to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So now we're getting some actual real progress done on the frame. So now will be the time to really start tuning in, because now we're going to start really making some progress. Next week we're going to be pulling the front Dana 60 apart and getting it ready for the truss and gears. So stay tuned for that. But until next time, guys, stay humble, work on your projects, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
There's Oakley over there doing Oakley stuff. I just dumped Pepsi over there, so he probably is looking that up. A nice mouthful of dirt. Yummy. And then there's my Jeep. No, I have not sunk it yet, if ever wants to ask. It's sunk free so far. Well, it has been pre-sunk, but not again. Goodbye.